Hi, my name is Wilmian, and we'll be talking about measuring snowfall. So there's here on this chart here are some of the different kinds of precipitation. So when the clouds originally have precipitation, most of it comes out as actual snow, but as it moves more through this warm air here, it can change its form. So the longer it moves through the warm air, it becomes more rain-like. So if it moves through warm air pretty much the whole time, it's going to come out as rain. If it moves through warm air and then comes in the cold air for a little bit at the end, it'll be freezing rain. Now, again, it's about half and half here. It'll be sleet, which is kind of a watery mix of snow. And if over here, if it's in cold air pretty much the whole time, it will just be snow, which is more like the powdery just stuff in the winter. So for measuring snowfall, as opposed to counting all of these different forms, we only count sleet and snow for actual snowfall totals. So there's a couple different things that affect the actual shape of the snowflake itself, and it's humidity and temperature. So here on the y-axis, we have humidity. And as the humidity rises, and the highest humidity will produce the most unique snowflake with the most intricate patterns and stuff. And on the x-axis, we have temperature. So about around 0 degrees Fahrenheit gives you the most intricate snowflake. So as you can see right here, with the highest humidity and about 0 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, you get the most intricate snowflake. So here we have a snowfall measuring system, and it's a pretty simple setup. We have a platform here, which is white, and we have a meter stick next to it. So this will be planted in the ground, and the ideal position that we want this to be in is somewhere that has low tree coverage so that we can get the most accurate actual snowfall right from the sky. We want minimal wind, so maybe some trees in the surrounding area blocking the wind so we don't get big gusts of wind that have brought more snowfall into that area that wasn't actually there. And then we want low sun in the area, which is difficult. So if there's too much sun, it'll melt the snow and kind of decrease it. So the reason that this board here, we painted it white, is because white doesn't absorb as much heat, and so it'll stay cooler, so it doesn't melt the snow. And the way that this actually functions is very simple. You have to manually read it. So you just see how much snowfall there is and measure it, and these all represent 1 inch. So each inch is just another measure of snowfall. And that's it.